Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 BMW X5M. This is the high-performance version of BMW's popular X5 SUV, and it's one of the most powerful and exciting SUVs on the market. The X5M is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. This is enough power to propel the X5M from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds. The X5M also comes with a standard all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission. So, what's the verdict on the 2024 BMW X5M? It's an incredible SUV. It's got everything you could want in a high-performance, UV power, handling, luxury, and technology. If you're looking for the best of the best, the X5M is the SUV for you.